Hi, I'm Dr. Rushabh Chheda, a minimal access brain, spine, and interventional neurosurgeon. Brain and spine disorders are the most frightening medical conditions for patients and their families. However, over the last decade, neurosurgery has advanced to leaps and bounds. Today, many of these conditions can be treated with minimal access and safe neurosurgery, which required larger surgeries in previous olden times. Now, what is minimal access neurosurgery? It is use of high definition microscopes, endoscopes, navigation systems, neuromonitoring systems to give the best results for the patients with minimal incision. Navigation systems are used to reach the center of the brain and various parts of the brain as well as in spine, which help in treating various conditions like pituitary adenomas, like spinal listhesis, like sciatica, like disc herniations, and can give better results. Now, what is the use of minimal access neuro and minimal invasive spine surgery? These surgeries give lesser incisions, smaller incisions, better recovery, less blood loss, shorter ICU stay, less post-operative pain, and earlier return to work. Similarly, we provide stroke advanced care. Stroke, as we know, is the most frightening disorders wherein a simple smaller blood clot can cause a devastating and a catastrophic effect on patients. By minutes, millions of nerve cells are lost. At SL Raheja Hospital, we give you advanced stroke care, wherein with smallest of the smallest incision, we take up the catheters to the arteries which are blocked, and with the help of mechanical thrombectomy and devices like stent retrievers, we retrieve the clot and reperfuse the brain tissues which were previously not getting perfused. When bought in right time and in right window period, the patients have dramatic effect and can be recovered from pain, can be recovered from weakness as well as speech deficits immediately. At SL Raheja Hospital, we provide minimal access brain surgery, minimal invasive spine surgery, as well as advanced stroke care with endovascular treatment. Our goal is simple: to provide safe and precise neuro and spine surgery as well as advanced stroke management so that our patients have shorter stay in hospitals and can recover as early as possible. Because when it comes to brain and spine surgery as well as in stroke care, precision and time is what matters. Thank you.